So there's that board that fell off the back of that truck. So this is another roll off. We have two roll off trucks. Those are 40-yard dumpsters. The reason they would not have used the 30-yarder here is there's some tight turn or there's some wires that are too low. And when Colton goes out to look at these jobs, he checks that kind of stuff out. So does Talon. So, and in these older neighborhoods, sometimes the wires are too low, and you can't take a really tall semi back in there. So then these roll-off trucks are the better option. They're just a little bit shorter.